Hi, we're Supply and Demand, and today we're going to be replacing a few parts on the Samsung range model NE59R4321SS. We're going to be replacing the door gasket. This can be found just inside the oven door. It wraps around the opening of the range and does not require any tools to remove. Simply pull the end of the door gasket out of the slot at the bottom of the range and firmly pull the tabs from the holes. In some cases, the tabs may break when removing the old gasket from the range, just like you see here. To replace this part, straighten out the new gasket and find the middle. Push the tabs into the holes all the way around. To push the ends of the gasket into the slots at the bottom of the range, you can either use your hands or a flathead screwdriver. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.